Imagine transforming your health with just a few simple changes. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover 10 powerful diet hacks that can make healthy eating easier and more sustainable. First, plan your meals ahead. Spend a little time each week choosing healthy recipes and making a shopping list. This prevents impulsive, unhealthy food choices. Next, control your portions. Use smaller plates and bowls, and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. This simple trick helps prevent overeating. Incorporate more whole foods into your diet. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrient-rich foods are essential for your well-being. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 cups daily to support digestion, nutrient absorption, and energy levels. Snack smartly by choosing nutrient-dense options. Healthy snacks provide steady energy and help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing overeating at mealtimes. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to what you're eating, savor each bite, and avoid distractions. This helps you become more aware of hunger and fullness cues. Incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Start with 1 or 2 meatless meals each week, focusing on plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu. Limit added sugars by reading food labels and choosing unsweetened options. Gradually reduce the amount of sugar you add to foods and drinks to lower the risk of chronic diseases. Finally, practice moderation, not deprivation. Enjoy your favorite treats occasionally in small portions, balancing them with healthier choices throughout the day. By implementing these 10 diet hacks, you can make healthy eating more manageable and sustainable, ultimately contributing to better overall health and well-being. Start today and transform your life. Your O.